Today, I'm going to teach you how to divide a problem of division by 3-digit to 1-digit numbers. Let's give you an example of 981 divided by 9. First, you have to divide 9 by 9. It's 1. 1, you multiply by 9 is equal to 9. Then you subtract 9 minus 9 is 0. You don't need have to write the 0. Just bring down 8. 8 divided by 9 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. Then copy 8, bring down 1. Then 81 divided by 9 is 9. You multiply 9 by 9 is 81 also. Then it could be 0 or x. Just a quick recap. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. Then you subtract 9 minus 9 is 0. You don't have to write 0. Just bring down 8. 8 divided by 9 is 0. 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 9 is 0. Then 8 minus 0 is 8. You bring down 1. Then 81 divided by 9 is 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. Then 81 subtracted by 81 is 0 or x.